channel. So today I have planned to do a vlog that will start from today until next week, Monday, since I'm writing an exam Monday. So I'll be taking you through the week, so let's go. So now I'm heading to a study venue to do physics. Yeah, I hope it's not full, eh? I hope it's not full. But it seems like it is empty. So yeah, I don't know when I'll be done, but let me go and start. So guys, the time now it's 18:15. Yeah, so it's 5:15 and uyofunda. So now yeah, then wear something warm and then go back to start maybe until 12. I will see when I get tired, but for now I just want to make something to eat and then head back to start again. Guys, I'm so tired. Now the time is 2. It's 2 in the morning and I'm so tired, but I'm still doing notes. I'm still writing notes so I can read them because I can't read them over the laptop. I get so sleepy if I read them on the laptop. So I'm taking them down so I can read them and then practice. And it's physics, by the way, so I don't need to take word for word. But yeah. I'm watching this episode, guys. This soapy. Yeah. So guys, now I think I have to sleep now. I have to sleep so I can wake up as early as I can. Long time now, it's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock, so I'm thinking of heading to bed and then just sleep. Maybe I'll wake up around 9 and then continue taking notes, or I'll practice. I don't know, but I will see it then. I will see it then. But right now, I should go and sleep. Yep.
Like a killing like a family, take a box up. Get it before the come pick it back like a like black of vines, what's what? Finger, Jamila, material, moving my heat. I read 16, see already. But you know, Madam Munare Rafita, boss Rafita. I'm so much, I love you.